Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is my little secret cleaning weapon. These are S.O.S pads, and these things are awesome. So these are a steel wool pad, and they have a soap pre-filled in them. And these are a multi-purpose cleaning tool. You can use them for so many things. So you can use these if you have stainless steel pans that need a really good scrubbing. You can use these on your barbecue. You can use these on your tile floors, on your metal trash cans, like anything that needs a really heavy duty scrubbing. These are awesome. So these are steel wool. So if you have a delicate item, this is not what you want to scrub with because it can lead to scratching. So you would definitely want to test the item first in an inconspicuous area, or maybe choose a different product. But if you have something that needs a heavy duty scrubbing and that can stand up to it, this stuff really does the trick. It really makes quick work of really tough stuck on messes. Especially I use these for stainless steel pans a lot, or sometimes I use them for the grates on my stove or oven grates. These really just do an awesome job. So if you need some heavy duty muscle cleaning power, definitely check out these S.O.S pads. That's my point of view.